Can you recall one advice from your teacher that has stayed with you in your career so far?
Yes, of course. I can recall one piece of advice given my biology teacher, Miss Padmaja, at that time. She said, never be hesitant if you have a question in your mind, whatever may be the silly question or trivial question it is. If you don't ask a question, you'll be ignorant forever, a perpetually ignorant person forever. If you ask a question and people perceive you as a naive person, you'll be perceived only for that moment. So it is always better be a naive person for the moment rather than throughout the life. That's a great piece of advice. It really helped me. So now I won't hesitate to ask question when I am unsure. And it really is a fantastic advice. It helped me throughout my career.
Hi.
What parallels do you see between the guidance you receive from your teacher and that which you provide to your own team?
Okay. So, I mean, there are so many, plenty. Maybe it's very difficult to say in one or two. Almost every day in, day out, there are so many of learnings from them which we use going on. But yeah, I can still remember, some of the common things which we carry along, like being humble, being human, being patient, which at times becomes very difficult. But yeah, I can relate something more on real terms when I got to hear from some of my professors saying that whenever you're stuck with some problem, go back to the basics. Try to analyze what is given. They always say what is given, and then you will find your solution from what is given. So to my colleagues, to my juniors, I also try to pass on the same. So likewise, there are so many of life learnings which has come through and made me mature over the years. So to all my gurus throughout these years, the koti naman from my end. Happy Teachers Day.
Could you describe a lesson or piece of advice from your teacher that you continue to carry with you to this day?
Sure. I do remember one high school teacher of mine. She said that failure is not something that you need to be really bothered about. Work on that, believe in yourself, and adjust to the times as such. Keep learning. It will somehow help you in life. So the same thing happened during the later stages of my life, where I got into work, and instead of being a master of one trade, I also learned many other things. I was into HR consulting, I was into training, I was into a lot of other things as such, in placements and all. So everything is connected to one another, and I believe that if you have the confidence in yourself, then the sky is the limit. You can achieve anything. So the advice given by my teacher has still stood with me, and will do so in the future too. Yeah. Thanks.
Hi Sayed.
Hello.
Could you share a vivid memory of a teacher who deeply influenced your journey, and how did he or she inspire you?
So, to my latest memory, so when I was in my MBA, so I was a little confused. So what should be my career? What way I have to take? So I was deeply focused on what others were doing and getting influenced. So one of my teacher, so she had a deep conversation with me. She just explained that if you focus on others, how will you look at your own strengths, and how will you mature them, nurture them, and make it strong. So just focus on your strengths, everything will fall in place. So I think it deeply influenced me. So I have from then onwards, I have taken my strengths to a serious point where I've nurtured it, and here I am right now as a successful manager, having almost like 12 plus years of experience. So this is one memory which I can recall. So I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Hi Krishna.
Hi.
Share a valuable lesson imparted by a teacher that has become a core principle for you.
Sure.
I can recall, one of my mentor who actually, taught me a very good lesson on this. When the first time when I was about to go and deliver the training, for my participants, I was very nervous and, I am not confident to go and deliver. So that time, when I spoke to him, he just imparted one lesson, saying that, you go understand this way. The participants who are sitting there, they don't know anything, and you are the expert here. So whatever you go and deliver at the best and the correct things. Okay. So this lesson actually, made a significant difference in my teaching style and the way I deliver today. So all this credits goes to my mentor. Happy Teachers Day.
As we celebrate Teachers Day, I'm reminded of exceptional teachers who have had great impact on my life. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to that wonderful teachers for their wonderful job. Thanks to all the teachers who are not only imparting wisdom but also passion to learn. All the teachers who are inspiring and transforming the lives. Happy Teachers Day.